Good morning. It is September 2nd and we're going to do a little pigeon dove hunt combo here. We got pigeons working in right now. We got 3 guns. Colton and Mason should be here later to film some. So I'm going to film on the big camera and on the GoPro. Austin's got his GoPro and we're just going to try and scratch a few limits out. Got him.
Dude, this thing is tiny.
I was moving the truck. I missed Austin, but he's got the first dove of the day.
I love watching them think about what they're doing.
Shoot him.
Mason, say something into those, just talk.
Check, hello, check, 1, 2. Alright, so we're out here on some private land. We got permission to hunt, shooting pigeons and some doves. Today's the second day we can shoot these. So we got our decoys spread out here. We've got a lot of birds on the ground already. We just throw them out for decoys, but yeah, they're decoying in pretty nice. Just waiting for some more to fly in.
I'll probably come back tomorrow and keep things on the farm and make it. Might give them a break.
Good shooting, Tex.
Good shooting, dude.
Thanks. Wasn't ready. Wasn't ready.
Dude's gonna fly off. Dude, you're too close. This isn't spot and stock, dude. Just shoot it. He's gonna fly. Shoot him. Shoot him. Did you get him?
I got him.
Oh my gosh, Dalton, start shooting! Start shooting!
I killed the white one.
Did you get one?
I killed the white one. I was only shooting at one. Shoot it. Watch out. I've been trying to kill that bird for like a year.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Now.
Dude, I'm shooting good right now.
Mine went like clear back over the building somewhere. Watch it not have a band one, a regular one. Not banded, but I've been trying to kill that bird for a. He's got that gray. There's one that sailed into the pond.
That was pretty good. I was gonna say, I got some good.
Yeah. I only had 2. Hey, shoot it. Did you get that on film?
Yeah.
You wait.
waited till like when it was right over him. He waited because
He knew that we were over here. You could see that. That was crazy. What did you shoot? 4?
Yeah, we dropped 4.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna end the day here. We got up to 29 pigeons, 14 doves. Pretty good day. Dalton shot his white pigeon that he's been after for 2 years. Missed him a lot. Finally got him here today.